Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I reviewed a watch, and here I'm showing you one of my latest builds. This is based on the Seiko Turtle, and it's of course built from parts I bought online. So let's get to it. So dimensions first, it's 40 millimeters in diameter, 47 millimeters lug tip to tip, 22 millimeter lug width with a thickness of about 14 millimeters. Sterile case back, screw down crown at the 4 o'clock, Pepsi style dive time bezel. I put it on these aftermarket rubber straps that are quite comfortable, not very stiff. Features a flat sapphire crystal with no AR coating, Marine Master style dial, and this is the mother of pearl dial. Yellow handset, big arrow for the hour hand, sort of like a broadsword one for the minute hand, and of course the second hand is needle-like with a counterbalance. Date window at the 3 o'clock, .120 click bezel. Action is quite stiff. Powered by an NH36. I didn't bother removing the day wheel. It's concealed by the dial anyway. So this watch is called Perlas ng Silanganan, or translated it's Pearl of the East, or more appropriately translated, Pearl of the Orient. As you can see, the color scheme, or the color theme rather, is the Philippine flag. We have blue, red, white, and yellow. Staring at it for a bit, you might even think of it like a, how should I say, a Gundam colored theme. The original one at least. It's got blue, red, and yellow. But I built this based on the Philippine flag. Hence the name, Perlas ng Silanganan. It's also found in the Philippine national anthem. So here it is on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. Of course, it has sapphire, which is a plus, and the shape of the turtle case, though it is quite a large watch, makes it quite okay for smaller wrists because of the cushion style case shape. Doesn't look very long, even though it has a 47 millimeter tip to tip. It's a bit thicker though at 14 millimeters compared to the usual 13, but 1 millimeter difference is not gonna break the bank. It's quite hefty, and it's got drilled lugs. It makes it easier to remove the straps, and it is conducive for quick change, or rather it is easier for me to change the straps even if the spring bars are not flanged. So the spring bars on this thing are the original SKX style spring bars that is not flanged, so it's quite difficult to remove without the drilled lugs. So with the drilled lugs, I could just use the spring bar tool, press it in, and out comes the straps. This can also be used with a NATO, but I prefer the rubber strap, since if you put a NATO on this thing, it will become quite thicker than it is. It's got quite a nice wrist presence. So circular brushing on the top of the case, right there, you can see. It's polished on the sides. Being an aftermarket case, of course, the finishing is not quite as good as the original, I would surmise. The edges here are sharp. Some of the knurling on the bezel are quite sharp as well. And I showed you a while ago, the action of the bezel is quite stiff. Loom is quite strong, especially on the handset. The indices, however, not that strong though. So there you have it, the Seiko Turtle build that I call Perlas ng Silanganan. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you enjoyed it, share if you can, leave a comment below what you think about this watch, subscribe if you haven't yet, and once again, enjoy.